Every morning, the world begins anew.
Look at this.
How are we supposed to pay for this?
I don't know.
Decisions.
Look at how the light comes in.
I could stay here forever.
This schematic right here, this is the key to efficient home solar.
Sir, what do you see? The truth.
I really think this is the right move for us, despite the cost.
It's a big change. I need to be sure we're considering everything.
Look at how the light hits the grass this morning.
It's incredible. It feels like a movie scene.
It really does.
Let's build with the power of the sun.
This shipment is exactly to specification. We can begin fabrication immediately after I separate these top layers.
No one will ever find it in here. It has to be perfect.
30 inches, exactly.
All right, let's prep the saw.
Cleanliness is clarity. We remove the dust so we can see the truth. Everything exposed.
To be perfect. Use the scissors for the main cut, the knife for the detail work.
Understood.
Don't disappoint me.
Black is black.
The key is slow, deliberate stirring for the right viscosity. Notice the consistency. This ensures a lasting bond on the veneer.
Needs a little more. Nearly perfect.
Look how the light catches the grain.
It makes everything glow.
Every surface tells a story in this light.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Materials. Big impact.
Almost perfect. That's it.
Align the axis.
A sharp knife gliding smoothly. It's such a satisfying sound, isn't it?
Look at that. Absolutely perfect.
It's the sharpest blade we've had yet.
We should order more
We
of
need to
these.
secure this sector before dawn.
The thermal scans show an access point here. It's less guarded.
Formations are exactly as planned.
Indeed. The precision is remarkable.
It truly is a sight to behold.
There we go. Edges trimmed perfectly.
Looks incredible, man. The sharpest in the city.
The alignment is perfect. Confirmed.
Confirmed.
The pieces are stacked according to plan.
This old thing hasn't seen the light of day in decades.
It's beautiful. What's inside?
Only the past. And maybe some secrets.
Precision helps efficiency.
If we maintain this curve, the load bearing is optimized.
And the caliper confirms the precision. This will work for the atrium.
I agree completely.
Make sure it's tight.
Are you sure this is the only way?
It has to be.
Let's just finish this.
Just right. Structural integrity. Almost complete. Perfect.
We have to hide this now. Make sure it's completely covered, every inch. If they find it, we're done.
Everything deserves a second chance. Even this.
Look at how the light hits the apex. It's breathtaking. Truly a modern marvel.
We finalized the deal just in time for sunset.
Almost there. Perfect.
Mirror. To catch the sun. To catch the sun.
It's here. After all this time,
What do you think is inside?
there's only one way to find out.
Let's open it then.
Consumes the light entirely, a perfect absence of color.
A bold statement, certainly. But I wonder about the cost.
How
irrelevant.
the sun catches that blue. It's
Perfect. I know, it's drying so fast out here.
we timed this perfectly.
It really is outstanding work.
Almost there.
Just about there.
Perfect alignment.
Test fit complete.
Looks outstanding.
That looks good. Now hit the corners.
Got it.
Making sure it's tight. Excellent. We are all set here.
To finalize the terms today. The market won't wait.
The terms are unacceptable. We require more equity given the risks.
That is our final offer.
Where sunlight becomes heat.
The thermal conductivity is exceeding projections. Look at the distortion on the panel.
Remarkable. The structural integrity is holding surprisingly well.
Shadows forming perfect alignment marks.
Initial reading. Perfect alignment. Confirmed.
Steady now. Good.
Almost there.
Perfect.
Excellent work. Angle that reflector up. We need more sunlight on her face. Yes, right there. Beautiful.
It feels perfect.
And action.
It's beautiful, isn't it? All that glitters.
Almost there.
Angles are key.
Done.
Core temperature rising fast, nearing critical.
Divert power to the resonance stabilizers now.
Copy that. Diverting power.
Aim it right. Cook with light.
Climbing fast.
What is that? 104.9. We're losing him. We have to cool him down now.
Perfect. Higher efficiency achieved.
Flexion lines sharpen into the box.
The energy is immense.
Monitor the core temperature.
Stabilization field is fluctuating.
It's drawing too much power. We have to shut it down.
We can't. The fail-safes are offline.
It's going critical.
Heavy work. Almost up. That's better. Cool relief.
We are now adding the second layer of foil for enhancement.
Acknowledged. Thermal readings stable.
Layering is complete. Getting close. Just a bit more. Done.
It's finally complete.
Yes.
Look at that finish.
Yeah. It's absolutely stunning. The craftsmanship is incredible.
Yeah, worth the wait. This is the place. Are you ready?
As I'll ever be.
Focus. Aim. Perfect.
Careful, it's very hot.
I hope you like it.
It smells amazing. Thank you. I can't wait to try it.
Precision is the heart of true cooking.
The secret is in the slow simmer. Once the vegetables are soft, add the herbs and let the flavors
Seal
meld.
this pot tableside to capture the aroma of the white truffles inside.
And the lid, is it edible?
Only the finest beeswax.
On the
Enjoy.
plating. It has to be flawless.
Yes, chef. The lamb is rested and ready for the pass.
Excellent work, chef. Send it out.
Careful now, this needs to be precise. It must hold steady at this temperature. Perfect, let it rest.
You have to let me in. This is critical.
I can't do that. The protocol is clear. The seal remains closed.
Almost right. Just like that, cooking up. Perfecto.
Timer set for slow solar cooking. Let the sun do the work.
Core temperature is destabilizing rapidly. We need to initiate containment immediately.
It's too late. It's going critical.
Get back!
Is it cold enough?
Perfect. Just like you like it.
Look how vibrant they look. The steam is just right. I know, I can already taste the crispness.
Rising fast.
I'm feeling
We need to go. This is dangerous.
Time lapse. Clouds passing as cooker stays locked on sun.
We've got to shut it down. The pressure is too high.
I can't reach the valve. It's stuck. Get back. It's gonna blow.
Another 5 minutes, I think.
The spices have really bloomed. It looks perfect, Papa. Almost there. Perfect.
Zero fuel. Pure energy.
Sun moves.
Cooker.
Cooker rotated slightly.
Light is perfect.
I know. It feels like time is standing still.
Almost.
So much light in the darkness.
How long has it been simmering?
Feels like years. It has to be perfect tonight.
Absolutely sure it's the blue one.
There's no time left. It has to be.
Temperature critical.
Affirmative. We have peak temperature.
Initiating shutdown sequence. Almost. Finished. Finished.
You see me now?
Perfectly. You're beautiful.
Clean cooking, no footprint.
Perfect. It's finally done.
Oh, it smells amazing. Let's eat.
Perfect. Perfect.
Roast them low and slow to lock in the flavor.
Absolutely stunning. The texture is exquisite, chef.
The aroma is perfect. What do you think?
It's magnificent, rich, and deeply fragrant. It smells incredible. I can hardly wait.
It's almost ready. Just simmering now.
It's beautiful this morning, isn't it?
Almost as beautiful as you.
Slowly. Yes.
Nothing beats a hot meal cooked entirely by the sun. It's delicious.
And finally, the freshest herbs, delicately sprinkled on top. This is the touch that makes all the difference.
Solar energy served.
This is
Running out of time. The prep isn't done.
I know, but the delivery is late. What do we do about the main course?
We have to manage.
Is the stew almost ready?
Give it 10 more minutes. It smells wonderful.
The texture is superb, superb. The aroma is perfectly
Alignment
balanced.
is precise. We are hitting peak efficiency now.
How long can it maintain this angle before adjustment?
It will follow the sun until the very end of the day.
reliable, though. But look at the power of the sun.
It cooks perfectly every time.
Wow, check this out. Big difference. So good.
Living green. It's a choice. Simple changes. A better future.
Simple changes. Powerful results.
Clean energy, right outside your door. It's the future we built today.
I could stay here forever. It's perfect.
Absolutely breathtaking. I'm so glad we came up here. I still can't believe how beautiful this kitchen turned out. Best investment we ever made to us.
Shadows are getting longer. It feels like the end of something, doesn't it?
Maybe, but the light is beautiful right now. We should appreciate this moment.
Perfect.
I think these lids combined with the wood will create a fantastic texture.
Yes, that's exactly what I was thinking. The colors pop against the grain.
Cleaning today. Looking better.
There we are. Finally. Finally. Absolutely perfect.
Can't keep doing this, Alara. It's too dangerous.
We knew the risks when we started, Riss. There is no turning back now.
I know.
Close up. See how the light bends. A universe in every flicker. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Small changes add up for a brighter future.
It feels like the end of the world, in a good way.
Amazing. Clean energy.
Power of the sun. Look at that.